Evening. I'll not keep it too long. Okay, my name is Devlin. I'm a trainee energy consultant and forecaster for one of the largest energy suppliers in Ireland. This is my colleague Jing, who's a postdoctoral researcher at Queen's, and we've both been supervised by Professor Kangley during our PhD study. And as a result of the award-winning work being conducted at the APIC Research Cluster, we've come up with this hardware that turns dumb machines into smart homes. We're able to communicate to our clients exactly what the machinery is doing and how it's behaving right down to the component level. And we target some pretty big pain points for our customers. The first of which is energy costs. Northern Ireland is a pretty expensive place to be if you're a manufacturing company, and that's because our energy costs are amongst the highest in Europe. It's costing jobs. Michelin have exited the market because of this reason. And it's costing global competitiveness for the ones that are still here, like Bombardier. Now, if you can reduce your energy cost, you can increase your profit margin. But how do you reduce your energy cost if you have no idea where your energy cost or your energy goes when it flies past the meter? Well, we were approached by a group of local companies that wanted us to figure this out, and this is a solution we came up with. If you can't measure it, you can't improve it. We've developed hardware that measures the energy usage of every component on every machine in every factory, and this gives our clients the unparalleled insight into their energy usage and enables targeted energy improvement projects to be rolled out, the results of which can be validated and replicated. But energy data is so much more valuable than just driving a one-time energy cost reduction, and that's because the amount of energy a component uses indicates its health, and we can monitor this health over a period of time, communicate to our clients when their machinery is drifting out of tolerance and likely to fail, so they can deploy proactive maintenance schedules rather than reactive ones, reducing machinery downtime, which is very, very expensive. And ultimately deriving factory-level productivity improvements using component-level data. And we can deliver this via our software solution in real time and on an insight as a service basis. And this enables us to add value to our clients' operations every day. Now, manufacturing, it's a huge industry, it's a global industry, and there's about 130 manufacturing companies in the UK. We aim to be in 50 of these by next year, and as you can probably tell, there's significant room for growth there. A 30% share of the energy saving market in the UK is worth £440 million a year, and we're fairly confident we can get after that in the near term because none of our competitors do what we do the way we do it. No one uses component level data, no one applies the same analytical rigor to that data, and we're much better value for money. We span all manufacturing industries. If it's got a control signal, we can monitor it. We're already installed in 2 pilot sites in food processing and polymer processing. We've advised improvements already, and that's because our hardware is the key to unlocking the savings. Our software is the key to delivering them, and we have the passion and desire to make a huge impact in this global industry, making sure things continue to be made in NI. Thank you very much.
We would like to now get some questions from the judges.
Good pitch. Industry 4.0 is the kind of big buzzword that everybody's getting excited about. The automation within manufacturing is massive. So how much is this module to make, or have you kind of worked that out?
£30 each.
30 points.
Yeah, but we see the value not just in the hardware, but in the total service. So that's the key to unlocking it, and that gives us the data to do the hardware analysis to save the companies money on a royalty basis.
And this is the key to unlocking the data. Have you thought about the risks of security for industrial control systems and the opportunity for other people to unlock that data through your system?
Well, that doesn't. We don't actually control the machinery. We just
you're monitoring it.
Yeah, we're monitoring it. So we don't actually interfere with the machinery. It's minimally invasive, and it's really easy for the technicians and the companies to install. So there's no actual control there. Just we take the data and do our analytical magic on it.
So is your plan to sell the data or the analysis of the data, or sell this as a platform to open up to other people who can do that?
Well, we plan on doing the end-to-end solution. We can provide the hardware, provide this insight as a service from the hardware to the analysis and the energy reduction and the validation on that.
Have you any sense, in terms of the unit, you've mentioned the cost of the unit, but have you any sense of what your pricing packages might look like for your solution to those companies?
Well, we want to roll it out as an insight software as a service. That's how we're going to charge for it. Because the hardware is so cheap, we can offer that as part of the package altogether and just charge like a service fee on a monthly basis. And then from any validated energy savings that we provide to our clients, we take a percentage of that as well.
Have you done any validation or testing around
embarked on a very aggressive customer discovery journey as part of a lean launchpad process, and we've talked to over 100 customers already who are very interested in our solution, but we haven't got to the meat of how much they actually value that yet. But we know that the value proposition exists, and as part of this process, if we're successful, we want to use the mentors in the network to try and take that a step further.
Okay, Joe and Jing, well done. Hopefully there's big bucks waiting for you guys in the future. Guys, put your hands together for Joe and Jing. Jing, I thought Jing was going for the gender. Oh, Jim, but I thought you were going for the gender. Products. Okay, one more pitch.